Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one website. That website is one of the best websites launching new, and you can earn much more cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on website, and let's get started. Okay, this is the website. The website name is King Faucet, and this website pay you every 4 minutes this much USD dollar. This is like you will have to faucet for need energy, short links, surfing hats, offer walls, these and lot of things you can play with here. This much withdraw this website pay, and this much days this will be online, and this much USD dollar pay to all of the people and happy users this much. And this is the all cryptocurrency this website supporting, and you can see a lot of people making their withdrawal from this website to their wallet address. Okay, first of all, this website link available in description. Click the register. You can register your account. You can make a new account. Just put your username, email, password and confirm password, then solve a captcha. Just click register. You can easily register your account. Okay, and after registering, you just put your email and password. You can easily log in this account. Okay, right now I'm in login my account to show you how you can start earning from here. And this is the all cryptocurrency available in here. You can see this is the all cryptocurrency. You can easily make much more cryptocurrency from here. And the first way first you can easily making amount from here is a manual faucet. Just go to manual faucet. In here you have 40 time claim per day, and this much tokens this will be pay you and for every 4 minutes. Okay, just in here you need to solve this captcha first of all. After solving the captcha, just collect your reward. Okay, and you can collect your reward instantly. Then you go to your the next way is lucky while. You can load it lucky while. This much energy this lucky while will be needed. Okay, you didn't have any energy for right now, but you can't roll it the lucky while. If you reach that energy, you can roll it the lucky while and you can make much more. The next way is a short links. You can go to the surfing hats. You can watch advertisement and you can earn much more cryptocurrency from here. This will be pay you tokens, and you can convert the tokens to any cryptocurrency you want. Just like this, you just watch this website for 1 second and then just click verify. That's it. That's not too hard to watch other websites. Okay, and watch surfing hats. And I show you to the next way. The next way is surfing hat short links. Okay, this is the links. You can go to links, and this much available links in here. You can see 20 available links, and this much tokens this will be paid, and this much energy this will be paid to you can use it. Okay, the next way earning is the offer walls. You can go to offer walls and complete offers. This is the next way, but I didn't recommend you to use these in here. If you want to use it, you use to faucet pay. Okay, the next way is a task. You complete a task. Okay, it's not too hard task. Just read this one and you can complete this task, and this much power and this much energy, this much tokens this will pay you. Okay, and that's it guys. This website link available in description. You can see I have this much energy, this much tokens, and every one Shiba coin is this much tokens. This will pay you in Coinbase, and the minimum withdrawal amount for Shiba coin is 50 token. For faucet pay token is a 3 token. This all the 3 token, and for the Binance a 5 token. For Litecoin is a 3 token the minimum withdrawal. After you reach the 3 token, you can easily withdraw your amount to your wallet orders. Thanks for watching, guys. This website link available in description. Click the link and come here, join yourself and start earning. And bye bye for now.